you're stiff as hell right here.
Yeah.
Like that's just you being on your phone all damn day. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let it go. Let it go. That's the one. I know. That was intense. You gotta see it. Let's see if you crack good. There it goes. That blew up. Gosh. How'd that feel?
Good. It felt really good. I can't even talk.
Should be. That was lovely. You are blowing up. How'd that feel? Was that a fart or a crack?
Both.
Is that ring light in the way or we're good?
You're just really bright.
Oh, I'm so bright.
Really
My
bright.
God, I'm so bright. Let it go. Right here. Gosh. That was so bomb. Because she has low back pain. A lot of compression in there, so we're trying to decompress it. So it's just like it's a mini. There it goes.
Oh my God, I don't know. I felt my spine.
That felt good though, huh?
Yeah. I don't know how to move right now.
Let it go. There she is. You can tell it's right down on that oil.
Oh my gosh. That was one of the best adjustments I've had.
That was lovely.
Honestly.